These are the animals that fly the highest in the sky. Number 1 is as high as a plane. Number 3, bar-headed goose. This bird is known for flying over Mount Everest, reaching altitudes of up to 29,000 feet. Number 2, common crane. These birds migrate over the Himalayas and can soar more than 32,800 feet high. Before we get to number 1, if you're not an alien, hit like and subscribe now. Aliens can't do it. Number 1, Rüppell's griffon vulture. This scavenger bird has been recorded flying as high as 37,000 feet. That's the same altitude as a commercial airplane. Which one amazed you the most? Tell us in the comments.